We have a mystery beauty box from TEMU, all picked up by AI. I told AI to get me the most viral beauty products from TEMU. It filled my cart on TEMU and I didn't even look. So I don't know what we've got. We have a mystery beauty box to open today. I don't know what is the product, I don't know reviews, I don't know the price, I don't know anything. I just copied the links of the items and pasted in my TEMU and I just clicked checkout. And we've got a huge mystery box to open today. So in this box, we're gonna have the most viral beauty products that AI thought it's worth buying. I'm gonna try every single one to see if AI is a genius or it's just messing with me. Let's see. We have rose blush, Christmas and Valentine's Day gifts. It's neither Christmas nor Valentine, but this can be a gift to myself. A blush with a very, very interesting packaging. Oh, actually, I think I know what it is. I saw on TikTok people are using the flower blushes. Is that one? Seems like it, but it's very lightweight. Oh, if every day I have to struggle this much to open my blush, that's not ideal. Oh, God. Oh. Packaging, 0 out of 10. Oh my God, it smells like rose and it's very strong smell. It's so beautiful. But it is a bit messy because, yeah, this is how I managed to open it. On the lid, we have some brush. This brush has come with it. It's beautiful, it smells good. Oh, you know what? This is just the fake flower. Just some blushes on it, which is creative. I mean, I'm sure TEMU is not the first brand did that, and it's just obviously a fake version. But I'm not sure if the original version is all blush, then that would be fun. Next, we have what it is. It is very lightweight. Oh, this is a tweezer. Weird looking tweezer though. Yes, this is tweezer. What is this? It's like a light or something. By pressing this button, it turns on. This is like so bright. Obviously, you should not look at the light directly. Can you see it on the wall or so? Oh my God, you can see it on the wall. You are zoomed in now. I already have a light in front of me because of filming, obviously. And when I look at my eyebrows, I swear they look fine, yeah? I mean, yeah, obviously I can see maybe 1, 2 very thin here, but rest is like absolutely fine. We're gonna try this one now. Now having this light on, I see there is a lot left. Are you kidding me? And it is really handy. This was really fun. Next one called peel off tape. Basically, I'm supposed to put it around my nails and put nail polish, and then I would not have mess around it, which always happens, and I'm sure I'm not the only one. But I'm excited to try this one, and I have one question which is answered now. The question was, are they coming in different sizes so it would fit different nails? But no, they come in exact same size. And does that even matter? Should we try it? We should try it. I'm gonna put nail polish very careless to see what will happen. Oh, it actually worked. You get this many for this price, and yeah, I would say it worked. And it's a bit tricky, you have to learn how to work with it, but as you see here we have spare nail polish. Next product. This has gone so viral on TikTok. Girls are going crazy for it. This is just a brush, and as you see, it's cat inspired, but it is cute. This is possibly better for blush. Here we are, the satisfying part. Now we see how pigmented it is. I don't know how clear it is on camera. As I told you, I have like strong light in front of me, which obviously fades away colors. This is like too pigmented, or maybe I got so much on my brush because I was excited, and I'm now worried because I don't want to look like clown. It's pigmented, definitely it is pigmented. If this is the same question in your mind as mine, if we tap this directly to skin, we get some blushes. I think we will. Did we get any? We got some on chin, although it doesn't look very good. But we got some. Okay, next product. It's a V-shaped brush. I think the only use for this one is just the nose contour, which I never actually do because I find it hard. Okay, let's try. Why is it not doing anything? Maybe I need more. Just one side of the brush takes more powder. I don't know why. Seems like the cut is not symmetrical, but let's see. Is my nose slimmer? Oh, let's try the tip part. Actually, I think it is quite handy. I'm not sure if it's working, if it's my issue, user issue, this bronzer issue. I think it is quite handy. I don't hate it, and I don't know why am I putting it back. The next product, we have lip stain. Oh, looks fancy. To me, it feels like a peel-off lip stain. Oh yeah, this is peel-off and it's very satisfying actually. This is the color we're supposed to get. Let's peel off this one. This is the final color and I think it's pretty. This one, whatever I do, it doesn't come off. Oh wow. I think it's because it's not dry yet, because this one is not moving whatever I do. Next one, eyeliner stamp. It has two heads. This is just the eyeliner head, and this side we have eyeliner stamp. Ooh, it is really like a stamp. Next we have something here. I have no idea what is this one. Well, this is apparently a guideline for your eyeliner. So you put it under your eye and that would be a guideline for you to draw your eyeliner. We're gonna be trying that now. So for one eye, I will use the stamp head, and for the other one, I'm gonna use the normal head because I want to try this too. First, try the stamp one because I'm excited. Oh my god, it is cute, very easy. But the question is, can I get the other one matching this one or no? But I want to save this one for the other tool we have. But this is so cool actually. It was very easy and quick. I love that. Then you use the other head to just complete your eyeliner. I think it's very pretty and it was very, very quick. Very quick. Definitely recommend this one. So now I'm gonna use the other head. I'm gonna use this one. Oh, I think I didn't use it right because you shouldn't move it that quick. Obviously this is wet and it will make mess. This one, I don't like it. Next beauty product we have is eyebrow tattoo. This must be interesting. Let's try it. Ooh. So it's like a polish brush. Oh. Hey. Ooh. It was better idea if I had done this on my hand first. I think we have to wait for this one to dry and then we peel it off. Well, between all this stuff AI bought us, if the choice was on me and I was going for shopping, I would definitely buy this one, the tweezer with light, the stamp eyeliner. It makes your life easy. Happy about the experience. It was really fun. I have sent AI to do shopping for me, this time buying the weirdest gadgets. I'm sure you don't want to miss that one, so make sure to subscribe. Okay, let's see if we go blind by using this. Oh, I closed it. It's like... Ow, no! Why it is so messy, this video?